This video explains the basics of in-text referencing, which is an essential part of academic writing. When in-text referencing, you always need to state the author or authors and the year the source was published. If the author is a person, you only need to write their surname. The author could also be an organization, and in this case you use the organization's name. You can incorporate a reference at the start of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. When referencing at the end of a sentence, you simply write the completed sentence, then give the in-text reference in brackets. As mentioned, the reference is simply the author's surname and year. Here's another example, this time with two authors. It follows the same pattern of surname and year. Also notice that you can use the AND symbol when the names are within the brackets. You may also want to refer to sources that were produced by an organization. This is treated in the same way, author and year. One final thing to note with these references is the placement of the full stop. Notice that the full stop is after the reference to show that the reference belongs with the sentence. Referencing at the end of the sentence like this is good when you want to emphasize the information or idea rather than emphasize who said it. Now let's take a look at the same sentences, but this time put the reference at the start of the sentence. Notice how the author and the year are still both there. However, this time the author's name is outside the brackets, as you are now using the name as part of the sentence. Notice also that found has been added to the sentence. We call these types of words reporting verbs. Another way you could reference at the start of the sentence is by using according to, like in this example. Because the names are now outside the brackets, use the full word for and. You can also reference organizations at the start of the sentence, again with the author remaining outside the brackets. A reporting verb has also been used in this sentence. Also notice that the has been added to the start of the sentence so that the sentence is grammatically correct. Referencing at the start of the sentence, such as in these examples, puts emphasis on the author. This method is good for showing you have reviewed the literature and know who the key authors are and what their views are. For more information on in-text referencing, check out the ACPE Style Guide, which is available on the library website.